Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide chat on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide chat on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And after opening a Telegram app, guys, in order to hide your chat, we won't be able to directly hide the chat from over here on the chat section of any person from over here, but we will be able to archive this chat and hide the archived chats on the Telegram. So in order to proceed to do that, you can see, guys, in order to archive a chat, first tap and hold on the chat which you want to hide, and after that a three-dotted icon will be available for us at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on that three-dotted icon at the top right corner and that archive button will be available for us. You can see, guys, there is the archive option on this drop down arrow menu. Tap on archive and that chat will be archived on the archive chats, guys. Now after that we will be able to hide that archive chat. So in order to hide the archive chats, tap and hold on the archive chats and you can see the option where it says the hide from chat list will appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap on hide from chat list and you can see, guys, the archive chats has been hidden with our chat. Now in order to find your archive chats over here on your inbox, guys, swipe down a little bit like this and you can see, guys, at the top of the screen where it says swipe down for archive and it will be over here for you. And with that being said, guys, this is how to hide chats on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.